Hi everyone, this is John Matthews with Adventure Awaits World Travel, your luxury all-inclusive resort experts. Today we're at Sandals Grande St. Lucian Resort, and we'll get to do a walkthrough of a Grande Rondoval Butler Suite. So let's take a look. So for the ultimate in privacy and luxury, the Rendezvous Suites are quite unique. In the entryway, you can see you have a wet bar with all of your glassware for wine and cocktails. Anything that your heart desires, your butler will bring you. You have storage under the sink and a mini bar that's fully stocked with champagne and wine and beer and whatever you'd like. Just ask your butler and they'll bring it right over for you. You have a beautiful room. The Rendezvous Suites are round, that's thus the name. But you have two nice ceiling fans, a peaked roof, beautiful big king-size bed that you can see is decorated for the next guests that will be checking into this suite today. You have two beautiful reading lights above the bed. Great views from your windows. Nice seating area, big beautiful flat screen TV. Two champagne flutes and decorations ready for the next guest to check in and enjoy the luxurious surroundings. You also have your own private deck. You can see that's fenced off, it has a splash pool, and this door from your unit opens right out to your splash pool, so you can jump right out from your beautiful suite right into the water. We'll look at the deck a little more in a few minutes. Continuing on, you have another door out to the deck, a rack for towels, and tons of storage. Great big closets with bathrobes, spare bedding, luggage rack, safe, umbrellas, and a big beautiful bathroom. So you have one sink on the left side, private bathroom, great big soaking tub for two, another sink on the other side of the bathroom, so two sinks, a big rain shower head in the shower, and a door that opens out to the deck as well. There's the other door we saw from the inside, another rain shower head outside. Your own private hot tub in the privacy of your fenced-in deck. Your splash pool again. Two deck chairs, his and hers deck chairs, with a table so you can have your butler bring you beverages as you sit by your private plunge pool. Two more chairs and a table underneath your umbrella. A hammock for two for the ultimate in romance. And as you step outside through your private gate, you're steps away from one of the many pools at Sandals Resorts and the beautiful Caribbean Ocean in the background. So for the ultimate in privacy and luxury, remember Sandals Grande Rondoval Butler Suites. Contact us when you're ready for your wonderful honeymoon, your next anniversary, or your Valentine's Day gift, and we'll help make your dreams come true. Thanks.